Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa at home easy. To begin, select about 4 to 5 ripe tomatoes, 1 small onion, and a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. For a mild salsa, use 1 jalapeno. For more heat, try 2 serrano peppers. You'll also need a few cloves of garlic and the juice of 1 fresh lime. Ensure you have a good cutting board, a sharp knife, and a food processor ready for quick preparation. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Roughly chop your tomatoes, onion, and peppers into 1-inch pieces. If you want a richer, smoky flavor, you can roast your tomatoes and peppers on a baking sheet under the broiler for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until slightly charred. This step adds incredible depth. Once cooled, transfer all your chopped vegetables, garlic, and cilantro into your food processor. It's time to blend. Pulse the ingredients in your food processor about 8 to 10 times, or until you reach your desired consistency. Some prefer a chunky salsa, while others like it smoother. Next, add the juice of 1 fresh lime and 1 teaspoon of salt. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. For an extra layer of authentic flavor, consider adding a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin or dried oregano. Your delicious homemade salsa is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, tacos, or as a vibrant topping for grilled chicken or fish. For any leftovers, transfer the salsa to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 5 days, making it perfect for meal prepping or enjoying throughout the week.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.